Hi there. Finding the 5 best disc golf practice basket reviews worthy of your earned money is certainly challenging. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Check the product links below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is MVP Black Portable Golf Basket. When looking for the best disc golf practice basket, the best way to go about it is to find something that will give you the most realistic experience off the field. Something that will give you some portability, while helping you improve your putting skills and other shots. This is what this disc golf basket from MVP can give to anyone, a top-notch basket that is designed with high-quality material and a one-of-a-kind design. Another feature that stands out with this disc golf basket is it is so easy to assemble. I can say this with confidence that it will take you a much longer time to take out the product from its packaging compared to its installation process. The only issue I see in the product is its inability to withstand the effect of water and moisture. If you fail to remove it in the field when it is raining, it might get rusted easily. The best way to protect the product and prevent it from rust is to remove it after use. Number 2. Our second best pick is DGA Portable Disc Golf Basket. Made by DGA, one of the earliest companies that produced disc golf products, this basket is equal to portability at its finest. This is one of the best portable disc golf baskets I have ever seen as a player. This basket will be able to give players the ability to play anywhere and can be considered as a lifestyle disc golf basket for players who use the sport as a form of leisure. It is collapsible, easy to fold, transport, and store. You can bring this basket anywhere while installing it in a course or field. Another plus factor is its high-quality patent links and chains that promote durability to the overall foundation of the basket. For its installation, this product offers an easy-to-assemble feature where everyone can do it easily anytime and anywhere. This is an easy collapsible basket where the assembly works like an umbrella when opening and closing its foldable base and compact design. When using this basket, you will enjoy playing disc golf anywhere, at your favorite place, and at your convenience. Number 3. Our third best pick is Remix Double Chain Golf Basket. Disc golfers who are participating in a tournament need constant practice and preparation to get the best performance and result. To achieve this, a player must need a practice basket that will fit his needs in achieving his optimum skills before the tournament. This practice basket from Remix will give what the player needs in terms of training and preparation. It is designed with lightweight metal chains, which makes it a great fit in being a disc golf basket. Also, it comes with a classic chain assembly that provides more opportunity for the disc to be caught after the shots. I also like how easy it is to assemble and install in the field. No tools are needed during the installation process. With only 5 assembled parts, the installation will be a breeze to any type of player. Also, you can easily put it in the field or take it out in just a matter of minutes, making it one of the easiest baskets to be assembled. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Dynamic Portable Golf Basket. This is another disc golf basket that I highly recommend if you want high-level practice sessions anywhere. It features a total of 18 chains that are designed to work indoors and outdoors while giving the player an excellent practice session. This disc golf basket takes pride in its portability and sturdiness as it is manufactured by one of the best disc golf products manufacturers in the whole world. What I like best about this product is its overall durability. It is constructed in such a way that it will last longer compared to other baskets. The sturdy base makes this basket perfect for practicing in the inside or outside environment. I also like that it comes with a carrying bag, which will give a lot of convenience when transferring from one place to the other. Also, the basket is lightweight and portable, which makes it easy to store from anywhere. You can even pull the basket out of the tripod case if not in use for safekeeping. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Yaheetech Portable Golf Basket. This product is another one of those durable baskets that offer a lot of choices to the owner. It can be one of the best permanent disc golf baskets that you can use, or you can bring it to any place and still enjoy the game of disc golf. Whether it's the backyard, park, or any open area for your practice, this basket will be a great fit for your needs. When it comes to its portability, this basket is easy to move or transfer from one place to the other. So, if you are someone who does constant traveling but still wants to play the game, this is a product that can help you. Since this basket is very light and comes with a collapsible feature, it will be easy for anyone to transport or move the product. Another plus factor is its compact design during the disassembly, which means it is easy to store and does not take up a lot of space. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.